Ayan, so ito try natin yung viral hack sa Instagram.
I'm gonna have a hamburger with 4 patties. 4? Bro, how are you not fat? With 4 patties on it, it's 580 calories for 52 grams of protein.
Na Whopper Junior, pero lalagyan mo ng 3 Whopper Junior patties for 52 grams of protein.
Okay.
Okay po.
So, Whopper Senior na yun.
Pwede. Tingnan natin kung masarap. So, it's 452 pesos for the two burgers.
2 burgers.
Pero technically, parang ganun din naman. Pero yung Whopper Junior, merong fries and drinks. Pero ito, full-on patty. Tapos lower calorie siya. Parang isang burger is 580. Ayan na. Wala na
Yan.
po.
Thank you.
Salamat po. Let's try it out.
Masarap.
Sarap. Okay siya. Approve guys, approve. Diet approve.